Kitchen Witch is here, and I'm going to do a chicken pot pie tonight, and probably a collective reading with some other information for you guys, alright? So stay tuned. What makes everybody unique is the way you season your food. That's the best part of it, is that ingredient right there, is how you throw seasons together, what you do with the seasoning, how you communicate with the food as you're seasoning it, using your fingers, getting everything involved and becoming one with that piece of the main item, which is the chicken. Now, some people like to marinate their chicken, marinate their beef, marinate their meat, but I didn't have time to do that, so I put some seasons together that I felt would go very, very good with this particular dish right here. And I'm starting off with my caramelized onion. Caramelized onion, lemon pepper, other seasonings. Just take a look and you'll see how I put the magic together in the kitchen. It's always good to become one with your food. They call it food porn, but it's not really food porn. It's you actually making magic with your fingertips and with your seasoning ideas, becoming one with your dish, because it's going to be inside of you. Why not? Now here's the good part, is slicing and dicing. A lot of people like their chicken to be cooked first before they start slicing it. With me, I like for it to be sliced already, so that way I don't have to go through that extra mile and cook first and then go back and slice and the meat is hot. I don't want to go through that. I don't want to burn my fingers up. It's best for me to go ahead and make the magic happen now and be boss of this. This is a simple dish. You can add whatever type of vegetable you want. Some people like to add bell peppers, tomatoes, and all different types of dishes to a chicken pot pie. But with me, I want to keep it simple from what I'm used to when you go to the stores and find it in the frozen section. I just want to keep it simple, y'all. Getting the taters butt naked. Getting ready to mix them and put them in this dish. Potatoes are actually great with a pot pie. Look at that chicken, well seasoned and yummy, yummy for my tummy. Oh my God. Okay, I'm adding the whipping cream, but this thing was giving me a fight to open it, so bear with me, you guys. Bear with me. To thicken up and make a gravy, I like to add cornstarch, y'all. Look at that gravy, y'all. When you know you have gravy that looks that color, that means it's seasoned just right. And it's gonna taste good. It's not gonna be too salty, but just right. Yummy. Oh boy, here we go with this fight with the crust. Now, I could have made my own crust, but it would have took forever for me to do that. So I went the quick way out to make this dinner quickly for my family, and it's already a hot mess. I ended up having to get 2 packs of the crust, and one of them came frozen, so I had to kind of work with what I had, but it turned out good. I did say that I had a different collective that I wanted to do after I made the chicken pot pie. And here I am the next day because I had a lot to do and a lot to think about. But at work today was a bit of a challenge because I got a phone call while I was at work, and this person wanted to unalive themselves. So I did my best to do what I could to try to keep that person calm, but they ended the call real quick. And that was something I've never had to deal with before. This was the first time I've ever dealt with that, but my job was absolutely amazing. They gave me the time that I needed to recoup, and now I'm checking in with you guys. I did say that I would check in, and I'm checking in, but I just wanted to let all of you guys know you need to check in too. And what I mean by that is getting your mental health straight, meaning that everybody needs therapy. Nobody's bigger than the program. We all need to check in. There's videos going around talking about people checking in and being hurt, but these are people that need to check in, and this is everybody that I'm speaking on that need to check in and take care of your mental health. Check in on that, okay? Your mental health is just as important as physical. Without this, we don't have this, okay? Check your mental health. I don't care how great your life is, how much money you have, what color you are. Your mental health is wealth. Your mental health is wealth. And we belong to Earth. Earth does not belong to us, and we need to understand that everything on this planet is temporary. So for those of you that are new to my channel, just checking in, just checking it out, love and light to you, give a shout out, hit that like button, hit that notification bell and subscribe and share. And take care of yourself. That is the thought for the day, is your mental health is wealth. Without the mental, we have no physical. Namaste. Well, here's the finished product, you guys. I'm not happy with the way the crust came out as far as how it looks, but looks can be deceiving. It absolutely tasted fantastic, but I just want to let you guys know I'm a perfectionist, so I like for my stuff to look pretty too, as well as taste good. And the next time I do another pot pie, I'm going to do individual little pans where everybody will have their own pot pie to themselves. But that gravy, look how brown that gravy is. Oh my God. It came out really, really good, you guys. And thank you so much for watching. Love and light. And for those that are new to the channel, please like and subscribe.